I am Uma Maheshwari, retired Assistant Director of Fisheries. I own a car, Scorpio, which is nearly 15 years old. I gave my car near OMR for wash. I was not satisfied. Once my car mechanic recommended me to give my car for wash at 5K car. I first gave my car for wash. I was very much satisfied by their services. It was like new car when it came to my house. So from that time, I enrolled in a package. And in this package, they are covering more than 5 or 6 items. And for 1 year, I gave the car for this package. And it was very much, they did good work, good services. I got a very good opinion about 5K car. All the staff are very sincere and they take care of our car as their own car. When they return the car, it is like new car. So I recommend all those who have their own cars to give their cars for wash at 5K car. Thank you very much.